Hello, my Virgo. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, amazing, safe, beautiful, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for tuning in into this channel. This is your 8-8 Lawrence Portal Gate reading. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but please take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for you. So let's start with this question, that what is 8-8 Loins portal means. Okay. So this is the energy of Lord Shiva destroying in order to clear the way for new creation. This is a time for DNA activation and the activation of the star seeds, light workers, and the twin flames. This is a time to step up into your power, and it is opening up on 28th of July to 8 August 2021. So it is going to close on 8 August 2021, and this is also called as Leo Gate. So now let's start your reading and let's see what this energy and what this portal is bringing you basically. Okay, so let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for Virgo, for 8-8 Loins Gate portal, which is important to deliver to them. So give me important messages for Virgo, which is important for them. Okay, what are the messages for Virgo? Oh my god, you are getting the most messages for the reading till now. Okay. So, in your deep knowing, you already know who is your soulmate. Who is this person who you love, and this person loves you a lot. You both love each other a lot, but in your deep knowing, in your intuition is trying to tell you that who is this person. You already know this, but still you are thinking a lot here. You are in a thinking process, you are in your mind. Okay, there is unfinished symphony here. So there are some kind of cycles which you have to complete, which is not complete yet. Okay, and you need to complete these cycles. Okay, maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 10 10. Okay, and you are doing manifestation and there is building blocks. So you are creating a solid foundation for yourself. You're doing your manifestation, and that's beautiful. And there is no place like home. I need to read it out. Okay, no place like home. This is authenticity, feeling at home. Okay, so yeah, that's right, you are feeling at home. You are you are coming home to yourself. You are feeling comfortable in your own skin. Okay, so that's beautiful. Okay, you're doing your manifestation. You are creating a solid foundation, a strong foundation. Okay, for your own self. So you are working on your own self. So this is beautiful. Okay, maybe, but you are thinking a lot, but do not think a lot, because this is some kind of unfinished symphony. That means these are the cycles which you need to complete. Okay, so this is unfinished business which you need to complete here, and you are completing these cycles here. Now let's see what are the tarot messages for Virgo. Please give me the messages for Virgo here. What are the messages? Why are you in a thinking process? Or you already know in the deep down who is your soulmate. Okay, you already know this. Your intuition is guiding you that who is this person, but still you are thinking. But that's good that you are doing the manifestation. That's very good. Okay, what are the messages for Virgo? Five of Cups, Nine of Cups, Ace of Wands. Wow, Sun. Any other message for Virgo? That's beautiful. See, bottom of the deck I'm having Emperor. So you are taking the control in your hand, basically. You're taking the control of your life in your hand, and you're saying that yes, I'm going to create my life. I'm going to create my beautiful life, and that's beautiful here. See, again manifestation is here. You are manifesting here, and you know that you are creating something beautiful, you're manifesting something, but there is some kind of manipulation which you want new happy beginnings here with someone, but there is some kind of mind games, lying, cheating, manipulation. Because of that you are feeling like an hangman here. But beautiful is that you are igniting your passion and you are creating new happy beginnings for you. Okay, there is something which is your wish fulfillment, and because of that, because you're not getting that, you are feeling very sad, remorse, guilt, you are thinking a lot, you are in this energy of thinker. But don't be in this energy of sad, remorse, guilt on the fallen cups, Virgo. There are two cups which is waiting for you here at the back. Okay, so you are making a decision here, and that's beautiful. You're making a decision here, you're doing your manifestation. You know that, you already know the truth. Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, maybe right now you are in a hangman position, you do not know what to do, but there is an enlightenment. There are thoughts which you know which direction you need to go. Okay, let me clarify some cards, because I need to clarify that why there is some mind games here. That's why there is here, the deep knowing is here. In your deep knowing, you already know the truth. Okay, you already know the truth. Okay, let me see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out in this clarification. Why there is Seven of Swords here for Virgo? Why there is Seven of Swords here? Okay, so someone is trying to play with you, and every time they say that they are going to create happy family, happy life with you, but they do not do that. Okay, maybe they promise you that yes, we are going to get married, we are going to have kids, or we are going to get have marriage or family life, but they do not do that. That's the manipulation they are doing, or you are doing that. That can be also a possibility. Okay, let me see more. What are you manifesting? Wheel of Fortune is coming here, so the good luck is on your side, the luck is on your side here, Virgo. Okay, what is Virgo manifesting? What is Virgo manifesting here? Why there is manifestation here? The Magician, please clarify me, Magician here. Don't be in this energy, because you are spending so many sleepless nights. You are manifesting someone from the past. There is someone from the past. You are manifesting that person who is your love. The Lovers is here. You're manifesting a person who is someone from your past. You know this person, and you know you love this person a lot. This is your Lovers here. You already know this person. Okay, why there is Sun here? What new happy beginnings are coming in Virgo life? Clarify Sun. Wow, this is beautiful. Sun is being clarified by Sun and High Priestess. Okay, Sun is being clarified by Sun and the High Priestess. Use your intuition. Okay, you are going to get new happy beginnings. Definitely new happy beginnings are coming for you. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, but you need to think. Okay, you need to follow your intuitions, your deep knowing, your inner voice. Okay, maybe you are going through with some kind of heartbreak, third party situation, Three of Swords, but do not worry, this person is coming back here. with lot of love, and you both are made for each other. Can you see? Again, Queen of Pentacle and the King of Pentacle both are here. So maybe you both are financially stable, grounded, you both know how to manage finances, and right now you are doing your healing. But follow your intuitions, okay? Follow your intuitions here. What is Virgo making a decision here? Why there is Two of Wands? Why there is Two of Wands here? You're making a decision to get success, recognition, victory again. Two of Wands is there again, bottom of the deck. Two of Wands and Two of Wands. I'm proud of you, Virgo. You are standing and you're saying that yes, I'm going to get success, I'm going to get victory. I am making a decision to get success and victory in my life. I'm going to make the victory for myself. That's what the Emperor is. You are taking the charge of your life in your own hands and you co-creating your life. Okay, so that's very beautiful energy. Okay, why there is Queen of Swords here for Virgo? Here, so you are resting and rejuvenating yourself, you're taking care of yourself, and you are doing your inner work, and you're waiting for someone to come back in your life here, and your ships are coming. Three of Wands is here, Two of Wands, and here I'm having Three of Wands. So you already know that this person is coming back in your life. Till the time you have to complete your healing, you already know this. But why are you in Hangman position? Manifestation. Okay, so let go of the end results. Okay, if you are attached to the end results, your manifestation will not work. Okay, see again, Hangman. You are doing your manifestation. Okay, do your manifestation and leave it out. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords. They are coming. Okay, they are coming, but you need to get out of this energy, Virgo. If you are doing manifestation, do your manifestation and get out of the energy of from the end results. You are getting attached to the end results basically. That's why this is happening here. Why there is Ace of Wands here for Virgo? Please clarify. Why there is, see, the Moon and the Tower. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Ace of Wands. So communication is coming towards you, and this is the divine intervention which is happening in your life. Maybe you do not have the clarity, you have confusion about your thoughts, but in your deep knowing you have the clarity. Okay, you have the clarity. That's why the divine is intervening in your situation here. Okay, the Tower is coming here. See, this person loves you, or you love this person a lot here. So you have the clarity, you know, and maybe this person break your heart and they put you in a third party situation, but this is the divine intervention, and divine intervention is good because this can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, that can be a possibility here. Okay, you are dealing with someone who is having fire or water or air. Okay, so yes, divine intervention is good because when you have to make some kind of necessary changes and you do not do that, then the divine has to intervene in your situation so that you can make the necessary changes which are necessary for you, and keep your strength with you. Okay, you have to keep your strength with you. Do not get restricted, stuck, okay, in overthinking. This is self-imposed mind thoughts, self-imposed jail on you are overthinking a lot here. And even in your deep thinking that what is there, your intuition is guiding you. You are doing manifestation, but still you are in a hangman situation because you are getting attached to the end results. Things will happen according to the divine timing. Okay, so let the divine do its own course. Do the manifestation and leave it. So this is what I'm having here. Now let's see more messages from the Chinese fortune reading cards. Please give me the messages for Virgo. What are the messages for Virgo? What are the important messages for Virgo? Beautiful. You are going through a process of transformation, okay? This challenges, this whole energy is making you more beautiful, and now you are start looking inside of you, and you are start loving yourself, and you are transforming into beautiful butterfly. 15:15 was recording reading time, and there is children here. Maybe you are already having children with this person, or you want to have children here. And the other meaning of this card is you need to do your inner child healing, okay? Tune into the inner child, okay? Do what your soul wants to do. So thank you for giving the messages. Beautiful message. Now let me add one color for you. What is the color you want me to give for Virgo? One color. Discover your sparkle. Brilliance is here, okay? Discover yourself. You are abundant of everything, and yes, you deserve love, you deserve care, respect, okay, money, everything. So discover your sparkle here. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message from Krishna consciousness from for Virgo. Whatever tough times you are going through, that are transforming you into beautiful butterfly, okay? What is the message for Virgo? Please give me the message. Any other message for Virgo? There is charity here, which says give what has been asked to you. Okay, you need to do the charity. What has been ask you to do, you have to give that. And there is new creation. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new creation here, which says travel if required, and pray for your work to be done. It's time to create something new, okay Virgo? So this is a time for you to create something new. So beautiful message here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what is activating inside you. What activations are happening in Virgo during this 8/8 Lions Gate portal? What activation is happening in Virgo? Divine feminine. Bottom of the deck, I'm having healing. So your healing is coming for you. The healing is getting activated. Lot of healing is being offered to you during this time period, and your divine feminine is getting activated. So maybe you were having more of a divine masculine energy inside of you, and there should be a balance between divine masculine and the divine feminine. Maybe you were not in touch with your divine feminine energy, but now the divine feminine energy is getting activated inside of you. The frequency of divine feminine supports our receptivity, nurturing and soft side, allowing it to express itself openly and helping us to connect to our understanding of our connection to all creation. So this is very beautiful energy which is activating inside of you. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages. You need to create something here. Creation is here for you, Virgo. You need to create. I do not know what you need to create, and you have to do your self-acceptance. Self-acceptance is required for you. Accept the things as they are. Maybe you are not accepting the things, okay? So acceptance is required for you, and that's why you're feeling guilt. That's why this energy was there of 5 of Cups. Okay, that's why this energy is here, 5 of Cups, because you are not accepting the things, okay? So that's why you're feeling guilt. Accept the things as they are, okay? Get out of this energy of guilt, sad, remorse. Once you accept the things as they are, you will be out of this energy here, and you are getting enlightenment. Can you see? Maybe your spiritual awakening is happening right now. 1 minute. Okay, so enlightenment is happening for you, okay? So maybe you're going through a spiritual awakening here. That can be a possibility here, because lot of activations are happening here for you. Yeah, be prepared for phoenix rising here. You be prepared to renewed after a period of crisis. Phoenix rising from the ashes. Okay, so you are rising from the ashes here. Okay, let's see what are the messages for Virgo here. What is the message you want me to deliver for Virgo? Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having devil. Okay, there is something which you need to take care immediately to avoid temptation and deceit. And there was seven of swords energy. Either you are doing it, okay, because you are not accepting your things. Okay, maybe you have low worth, okay, low self-esteem, or you are not ready to accept the things as they are. Okay, but you need to accept it. Okay, goals, progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved. So that's the message I'm receiving here. And there is thrones. Weathering the challenge ahead will bring a new and positive future. Okay. And there is marriage, which is indicated for you. You are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love. 2121 is the recording reading time. 2121. Okay, so you want marriage, so that is manifesting in you, in your life. Okay, but you need to work on yourself, Virgo. Okay, there is a lot of things you need to work on yourself. Complete your healing, do your self love, accept the things as they are. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let's me add one message for you from this deck. What is the message you want me to give for Virgo? Look inside yourself. Examine what is causing to feel you this way. I told you 22:11 is the recording reading time. Okay, you need to look inside yourself, that why you are feeling this way. You need to work on yourself. And there is power. You know what is right for you, and you have the power to say no or walk away at any time here. And there is, let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply is allow and gives. So maybe you both require some kind of space. Okay, maybe you both are controlling or possessive a lot. Okay, that can be a possibility, but possessiveness or controlling is not good for any relationship. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Let's see messages from the fairies. Thank you for giving the message. Wow, this is beautiful. New beginnings are coming for you. Okay, Virgo, there is new beginnings which are coming for you. I told you, happy energy, the sun is coming for you. This fairy godmother holds the joyous news of a new baby or a birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would be a baby here. Okay, I told you there is new creation which you have to create. Okay, there is a new beginning which is coming for you. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see messages from the spell casting oracle deck. What is the message you want me to give for Virgo? What is the message you want me to give for Virgo? Any other message? Trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan, and even trust yourself and pay attention to your dreams and follow your dreams. Maybe there is a message which the universe is trying to give you through dreams. So follow your dreams and focus on your dreams message here, and trust that everything is happening according to the divine here. So these are beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from numerology deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for Virgo? What is the message you want me to give for Virgo? Any other message? you are having spiritual career here. Okay, and there is creativity and there is personal growth. So work on your creativity, Virgo. You need to work on your creativity, and personal growth is coming for you. Okay, so you have to start working on yourself, on your creativity, and that will help you out in getting your personal growth. Now let's see. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Moonology deck. What are the messages for Virgo? Any other message for Virgo? See, I told you, this is the time for you to do your healing and take time to breathe out. Spend some time in nature and complete your healing. Okay, then there is show the world real you, full moon in Aquarius. Maybe you are dealing with an Aquarius, but the time has come to show the real you. Okay, and there is the answers you need are coming, full moon in Gemini. So the answers you are waiting for, the answers are coming for you here. So maybe you are dealing with an air sign, that can be a possibility here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the soul lesson which you need to learn here. You need to surrender yourself to the divine here, okay? These too many messages, okay. Let me see. What are the messages for Virgo? What is the soul lesson? Discipline and trust. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. Okay, so you need to learn this discipline soul lesson, and I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Trust your inner voice, your intuition. Okay, maybe you were ignoring your intuition, but this is the time to trust. That's the soul lesson you need to learn here, because your intuition is continuously guiding you, but maybe you were not listening to that. So this is the time to learn that. That's the soul lesson which you need to learn here, Virgo. Now let's see what is the message from the Quantum Oracle. What is the message you want me to give for Virgo? Stay optimistic. Okay, optimism is required here. And right now you are having a victim mentality and your energy is fragmented. Okay, so you have to get out of this energy and get out of this victim mentality here. There are new supportive connections which are there around you, so open up to receive these help connections, help from these connections. And there is a teacher who is trying to teach you, who is guiding you in your journey. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is the message from the Scared Destiny. See, again enlightenment is coming for you. Okay, you're getting enlightenment. Definitely you're going through with spiritual awakening. Okay, let me see what is the message for Virgo. Too many messages. Please give me the message for Virgo. Again too many messages. What is the message you want me to deliver for Virgo? Please give me the message which is important. What is the message you want me to give? Change is coming for you definitely here. Wow. Yeah. See, voyage and delight. That's the message I'm getting here for you. And there is a change which is coming for you. Lot of change is indicated. And there is love which is also coming for you. You want love. Love is coming here. So beautiful message. Thank you for coming, giving this message. Okay, let's see what is the message from surrender. What you need to surrender. Okay, let's see what is the thing Virgo needs to surrender. Maybe you can dealing with Leo. Okay, I was about to say Leo. What is the thing Virgo needs to surrender? You need to surrender to the divine timing. Okay, what is the thing they need to surrender? What is the thing Virgo needs to surrender? surrender outdated beliefs about yourself. You need to surrender that. Okay, surrender procrastination and surrender to the beauty of the natural world. Spend some time out into the nature here. Okay, and now is the time to jump on a goal instead of putting it off. Take action will attract success. So spend some time in nature and take action in a forward direction. Okay, be the emperor. So beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the animal spirit message for you. What is the message you want me to give? What is the message for Virgo? Maybe you can dealing with Capricorn. What is the message you want me to deliver for Virgo? What is the message you want me to deliver? What is the message? Too many messages. Please give me the message for Virgo. What is the message? Wow. Bottom of the deck I'm having starfish. Open to infinite possibilities. And butterfly. Transformation is always beautiful. See, you're definitely going through a transformation period, and transformation is always beautiful. Okay, Virgo. And there is moth spirit. Surrender now. Okay, you need to surrender now to the divine. Okay, because they have the best plans for you. Now let's see. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from angels and ancestors. What are the messages for Virgo? Trust in the higher forces. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Virgo? Yeah, shift your perception. See the picture from a different perspective, from a higher perspective. See from a higher perspective. I was telling you this. Shift your perception. Okay, see the things from a different perspective. Here there is protection, guardian. Drop your shields. Maybe your self-defensive mode is on. You need to put your guards down. There is knight. Be brave and honest about everything. And there is move beyond your ancestral patterns. Okay, so these are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from angels here. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for Virgo. What are the messages for Virgo? You are not alone, okay? This is Mother, Father and God. They are saying that you are not alone, okay? They are with you. 3322 3322 is the recording reading time, and there is composure and there is strength and guidance which is available for you. Okay, keep your strength with you here. Maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 333. That can be a possibility here. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the life purpose of you. What is the life purpose of Virgo? What is the life purpose of Virgo? Creative expression. Your soul longs to express itself creatively, so express yourself. Okay, if you love to draw, painting, okay, so do that. And there is nutrition. You conduct healing work with your culinary skills. So if you love to make food or cooking, so you can do that. Okay, because that helps you in your healing and heal others also. So these are the two life purpose which I'm getting here for you. Now let's see what are the emotions which you are right now in. Maybe you are very disappointed right now. Okay, what are the emotions of Virgo here? What are the emotions of Virgo? Okay. So you are feeling confused, puzzled, and you are feeling irritated, annoyed, bothered. Okay, so you're feeling confused and you're feeling irritated, but get out of this energy, okay? Because new things are coming for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the signs you are dealing with. What are the signs Virgo dealing with? Okay. Any other sign? Okay, you can be dealing with Aquarius or Gemini air sign. Okay, or you can be dealing with Sagittarius here, fire sign, or you can be dealing with water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or you can be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Okay, so this was your reading, Virgo. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing light to all my Virgo who are watching this video. Okay, take care of yourself, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.